First, fast, accurate. With Jennifer Copeland and Rick Schutt. You're watching WSBT-22 News at 6.
Well, nearly 2 years after her child's death, a jury is hearing evidence in Nyesha Crockett's murder trial.
Crockett is the South Bend woman accused of killing her 11-month-old son and strangling her 14-month-old daughter. WSBT-22's Zach Crenshaw is live at the courthouse right now. Zach, quite a few people testified today.
Yeah, Jennifer, family, friends, and police officers. The state says Crockett was angry with the baby's father, texting him that she was going to harm their son. Ultimately, they say she beat baby Micaiah, causing his death, and then confessed to police. The defense with a different account, saying there's no evidence of abuse by Crockett, and the interrogation led to a forced confession. Crockett's lawyer spoke about how police used psychological techniques during their interrogation, like repeatedly denying her story. The prosecution began by playing the hysterical 911 call from Crockett, who said repeatedly, "I can't do this again," referring to her daughter Alea, who was also found not breathing 6 months before her little brother's injuries. At the time, Alea's injuries were ruled an accident, but during the interrogation about her son's death, Crockett allegedly confessed to tying a scarf around her daughter's neck. For that, Crockett is charged with battery. For Micaiah's death, she's charged with murder, aggravated battery, and neglect of a dependent. Now, the final witness after 2 South Bend police officers was a friend of the baby's father who was with him the night of this incident, and it was on his phone that he received texts. Now, both sides don't dispute and even indicate that those texts were from Nyesha Crockett, some of them reading, "I'ma leave him outside, I'll hurt him, think I won't, good luck, I hope you find your son." Jennifer?
Zach, have you been able to find out or get any sort of sense as what will happen tomorrow?
Yeah, the state says they plan to play roughly 5 hours of the interrogation video at Metro Homicide. That is going to be a big part of the argument for both sides, the state and the defense, relying on that interrogation video, trying to convince the jury to see it from their point of view. And we'll have continuing coverage all week long as this trial continues. Jennifer?
I'm sure a lot of that will be hard for the jury to hear, too. All right, Zach, thanks very much.